My name is Human Afshania. My student number is 101-466-119. I'm just going to talk about assignment 3 today. And I'm going to talk about my codes and how I did it and why I did it too. So first we have to import our important libraries. So I imported NumPy and pandas as NP and PD. We need it for calculation on our numeric arrays. We want to visualize it. We're going to graph it. That's why I imported PLT. But I think I did not do it, so we might not need it. And after that, we're gonna import our AI for our prediction, and we're just gonna train the AI later. And then we're gonna split our data to training, testing, and validation. That's why we import this, and we're gonna see what we did. It like evaluate our work. So that's why I imported mean squared error. So over here, I use red underline CSV to import our downloaded data from the website Kaggle. Trains, as we know, is has feature and answer. Test just has the feature, and also I use a head function to just show you the first few rows and our columns. So 5 rows, 81 columns. That every single of columns has the feature of the house. As you can see, the kind of street, the ID, and etc. And I just wanted to differentiate our data to a numeric and categorical column. That's why I used select underline DT types. It helped me because I want to work on every single kind of them. That's why I did that. And then if something's missing, we're gonna fill an A with the median and with the median value for the numeric columns, and for the categorical columns, it makes sense just like fill it with the missing because we can't do the median. And then so I want to transform the categorical variables to a numerical format. I do it because for AI and prediction, it's gonna work better with the numerical, better than the categorical. That's why I use one-hot encoding, get underline dummies, does that for me from the pandas. And also, if there is something missing, data's missing, I'm align the columns, training data to the test data columns. I align them, and if something's missing, we're gonna put it as a default value of 0. And of course, after that, I have to make sure that the every single training data has the test data, like they are in order. That's what I meant. So over here, this is as we used to do it. So we're gonna differentiate our data to features and target. That's why X is for the training. I put X for our training and Y for our answers of the data. And so as we know, we need more training. That's why I put the testing just 20% over here. And here we're gonna do the splitting data as we used to do. And then I initialized the AI, our random forest regressor, to the random state of 42. And we wanna train our model. That's why I use fit function. And we're just gonna use the training data for that. And of course, after that, we wanna do the prediction. That's why we use the predict function, and just we need the validation data. And we want to see what's the rate of our error. That's why we gonna use the mean squared error, and we're gonna use the y data and our prediction. And the fewer and the less the error rate is, the better we use it. As you can see, here is our rate. And then we're gonna make the prediction on the test data. That's why we're gonna first, what I did was aligning the test data on the training features, and then I did the prediction using that training model over here. And after that, the last step is just we're gonna make our submission file. So I named that a submission file submission.scv, and over here what I did was if the ID is not showing, I'm just gonna, for the ID, I'm just gonna use incremented index, like index +1 for the ID if it's missing. And then we're gonna save it. And as you can see, it's just saved here. Over here is my submission, and here is my prediction. Thank you.